Hi everyone, this is our WPS-HP201 Hyshare wireless presentation system. It allows users to walk into a space and wirelessly connect their own device to the main display in the room. The WPS-HP201-KIT version comes with two Hyshare pods. These connect to your laptop via USB-C and then you press the button on the unit to share your device to the screen. Mac, Windows and Chromebook laptops are supported. I'll give you a quick demonstration. So the image you can see here is actually coming from this pod connected to this laptop. If I go to the Chromebook and press the button, the base station automatically goes into multi-viewer mode and it supports up to 4 devices simultaneously. If I disconnect by pressing the button, I get the Chromebook full screen. The other useful feature of these pods is that they support bring your own meeting. This means that if you have a conference bar connected to the main unit, the laptop with the pod connected is able to access the camera, microphone and speakers directly as a peripheral, and you can use them in your preferred video conferencing software. If you prefer not to use pods, if I disconnect this, you can connect directly to the main unit via AirPlay, Google Cast, Miracast, web browsers on laptops, or we provide laptop and mobile apps. The other useful features of the product are that you are able to customize this splash screen and make it consistent throughout the campus that you're installing. If you connect a USB touch screen to the base unit, you can use the touch screen to control the connected laptops. So as you can see, this provides a simple, robust, consistent way anyone can walk into a space with their own device and share it to the main screen. Just to confirm, the kit version of this with the 2 pods, the code is WPS-HP201-KIT, and you can order the base unit on its own, which is WPS-HP201. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit our website and socials.